Today we'll talk about how can you disable shared albums notifications on your OK app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on notifications on screen. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down here. Then you come here to photos, and you come here to share with albums. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.